Caterpillar is a multinational corporation based in the United States. It offers a wide range of construction equipment, including excavators, bulldozers, wheel loaders, motor graders, and more. Caterpillar is known for its high-quality machinery, technological innovation, and global distribution network. Komatsu is a Japanese company that manufactures construction, mining, and utility equipment. It produces a diverse range of products, such as hydraulic excavators, dump trucks, wheel loaders, and bulldozers. Komatsu focuses on advanced technology and sustainable practices. JCB is a British multinational company that manufactures equipment for construction, agriculture, and industrial purposes. It is well known for its range of backhoe loaders, excavators, telehandlers, and compact construction equipment. JCB emphasizes innovation and operates in over 150 countries. Volvo Construction Equipment is a Swedish company that offers a wide range of machinery for various construction applications. Its product lineup includes excavators, wheel loaders, articulated haulers, and compactors. Volvo emphasizes fuel efficiency, safety features, and environmental sustainability. Hitachi Construction Machinery is a Japanese manufacturer that specializes in construction and mining equipment. The company produces hydraulic excavators, rigid dump trucks, wheel loaders, and other machinery. Hitachi is known for its technological advancements and strong customer support. Liebherr is a Swiss multinational company that manufactures a diverse range of construction equipment. Its product portfolio includes mobile and crawler cranes, excavators, loaders, bulldozers, and concrete equipment. Liebherr is recognized for its engineering excellence and customer-focused solutions. Sany Group is a Chinese multinational company that manufactures construction machinery and equipment. It offers a broad range of products, including excavators, cranes, concrete machinery, and road machinery. Sany is known for its extensive production capabilities and international presence. Doosan Infracore is a South Korean company that produces construction equipment and engines. It manufactures a variety of machinery, such as excavators, wheel loaders, articulated dump trucks, and attachments. Doosan emphasizes performance, durability, and environmental friendliness. XCMG Group is a Chinese multinational company specializing in construction machinery. It produces a wide range of equipment, including excavators, cranes, loaders, and road machinery. XCMG is known for its technological innovation, large-scale manufacturing, and global sales network. Zoomlion Heavy Industry Science and Technology Company, Limited. China. Zoomlion is a Chinese company that manufactures construction machinery for various applications. Its product lineup includes concrete machinery, cranes, excavators, and aerial work platforms. Zoomlion is recognized for its strong research and development capabilities and global market presence.